We're here today. I had inspected this house and recommended a new roof. You can see the metal doesn't look too bad. Here's the reason that we recommended a new roof. Guys, be very careful on who you choose to get your roof done by. Take a look what we got. So she's on the contract today for a new roof, a full replacement. You can see here, everywhere there's caulk is where there's a problem, right? So all these screws under here are backing out, they're loose. And that's a leak point, and it has been leaking. Over here, you got too many screws in this corner there. That's not the way to be doing it. Here's this. Here's another pretty bad example here is this flashing is over the top of this flashing. When rain comes down, right, where is it going to go? Of course, up under there. So it looks like they had a patch there. I mean, who knows what happened during this install here, crinkled metal there. But in the end, just choose a very good contractor. Do your due diligence. Check out all their social medias. Check out their reviews and everything. I mean, there was a giant gap here that obviously, as the two pieces of metal come up and meet each other, there's a gap there for the heat, right? And the heat will then escape through here. But when you have a giant gap this big, rain will get down in there and right into the house. It's just recommended, and I know I've said it for the third time, but do your due diligence. Take the time out necessary to make sure that you're relying upon a good, well-reviewed roofing contractor.